So we got Redragon K668. This is good range. I gotta get good games, but also like games like advanced games. So this is the Redragon great because so I need to get the stick clean. So when it comes out, I think it's going to get the thing. So here's what I got. There's getting to the tanks. The Corsair. So this can't carry. So I think this like thing like this. So thanks. So doing himself. Okay, so they're getting stickers. I think there's a stickers. Yep. I can't look at this company because this thing something usually. Against I don't the rates. Okay, so you could get next day. Well, you could get next day, and then it's good thing that they bike. Okay, that's good cool. I think that the restrictions, yeah, those are restrictions. But I think that these are the results. I feel like getting TikTok, something like that, into by K-Ranch. That thing was like that cool. So I got like these big K-Ranch. I think it's a good range to let's go like use it all. But this should be good range for like gates. So let's go with this guy. So using the things. So let's get all that today. I think probably like the truck down, but I think I have to take out the old kid that was that connected. I mean, like Spain. Okay. Okay, this is the King 52. So it's going, it's like, it's going. Let's get that okay, hopefully to work. Alright, let's go. Second. Is that? Okay. I don't know if it was like it can't say okay. So if it was like a rank, it can program. But there's like things. So yeah, that's kind of the great success. Alright, so I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna go to the sync, the sync, try rank, current rank, and the things I like to think like that rank, there's a content. That game, but I'm just gonna do like instant game like programming that instant everything can do. Alright, so I just got a something like a train. So I just going to do a test. So I got okay, ranks. Rank, let's go rank. Go zone, like things. Okay. I thought it was like a game range. Do sparing. Okay, I can set, some windows. The cockpit train. Okay, cool. Okay, range. I'll take the sync range. Alright. This is like the rank. You can consume. So, take the things that doing things. So I can cut that. So that's the red thing. Well, I think that tanks. Let's check the K ranks. We gotta get the tank screens. Okay, so I got the tank, the ranks. Got like the tanks, rank, zone. So just go and check the salt tank. Alright, so that's rank. So I gotta check the key rank, thanks, like this is a tag rank, and I think rank. So the things like that tanks like the key range. The key ranks. But I can get down the car tank. I don't like the tanks the time, but I can't get tanks. The point is that like I think it's like good, but it's like rings. Well, get that tank and bye bye for rain.